Alright, here's my follow-up to the Juan Ramirez engine harness. So I have it all installed. Everything's tucked nicely. Nothing going across the valve cover anymore. My alternator harness was made to go this way and come back. But everything connected up great. Didn't have any issues with any of the connectors. Still retains AC. And the watt and boost, I don't know about the boost box. I do have the boost box stuff hooked up, but I don't have a boost box. I'm running a different electronic controller. But the watt box stuff functioned perfectly. So, like I said in the first video, if you're needing a good budget harness with everything that comes with it for the watt box and boost box, this is a great deal. I think total time with taking the old harness out, putting this one in, maybe an hour and a half. It wasn't bad at all. We did try to do it with the intake on, but it was kind of being a pain, so we ended up just removing the intake. But all in all, great harness. I approve. I wouldn't see why anybody would not buy this.